but I think patterns like this are crucial to create those beats. What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna show you how to create a really awesome Afro Pop Afrobeat in FL Studio. If you're interested in the samples that I'm using, make sure to check out my Afrobeat sample pack, the link is in the description. So in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how I've created all the elements, how you can create a really awesome guitar melody and add some chords, how you can simply create a really awesome drum loop which goes really well together with the chords and the melody. And then I'm going to show you some really simple tips and tricks how you can create a really professional arrangement. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So first I'm going to play a preview of this beat. So just some chords in the beginning. So right now just a guitar melody is coming in and still just some percussions and the shaker loop and the chorus of course. So this could be a beat which I'm sending out to artists. I think this one is really awesome. So first I'm gonna start off with the melodies. So just start off with the chord progression. So I'm using the Whirly 2 and the Whirly Jazz preset for this one, which I think is really awesome. And right here the guitar melody is coming in, which I think is also really awesome. And I've used a glue, it's just a simple compressor. I've used some delay on this one. And in the end, I've used this reverb. So I've added a really wide hall effect to the guitar. And I think it goes perfect together with the chord progression. And that's basically it when it comes to the melodic part of this beat. And right now I'm going to show you the drum pattern. So I'm going to solo all these elements. So first start off with this simple rim. As you can hear, I've played around with the velocity. Then I've added this snare. And as you can see, they are not playing the same pattern. Then I've added this clave, this one. It's just a really easy pattern. But I think patterns like this are crucial to create those beats. Then I've added another element. This is jam block, this one. Then I've added this one, another jam block. Then I've added this wood sound, this one. And as you see, there's already a lot going on. Then I've added this tom or this djembe, this one. And I've layered it with the block. And I've also created a pattern like this. Just still really easy. Then I've added this tom with some low frequencies right here. Also just really simple. And that's basically it when it comes to the drums which I've added to this beat. So right here the kick is coming in. This one. Just a really hard kick. Really simple pattern. Combining it with the drums. Then I've added this tambourine. I think something like this is also really awesome to add in those beats. This one. And as you can hear, I've already added a lot of reverb to this sample when creating this one. And then adding the shaker loop. And it really adds some bounce to the drums. So those are all the layers, and make sure to add some swing. You can do it right here. So in this beat I've added 25% of swing, and then I've added the typical clap effect, which is used in a lot of those beats. This one. And then I've added some rolls. So this one. All my sample pack available. And I've added this one. So they really sound similar and really fit the beat. And right now I'm going to unmute the chord progression. So as you can hear, the drums and the chords are going really well together. And right here I've added the bass line. This one is a distorted sine wave. And I've created this one using Serum. You can also use other synthesizers, but I think this one just sounds really cool. So playing all these elements together. And right here I've added some sidechain animation. So the transition from the guitar to just the chords and the bass line sounds like this. Which I think is really awesome. And when it comes to arranging the beat, those are just some really simple tricks. So just put your main melody in front of when the kick is coming in, and then just leave it out and make sure it pops up in another part of the arrangement. And right here I've made an adjustment to the bass pattern. So this one. So it's the same chord progression. And just really simple. It's just one octave up. So normally the melody would be something like this. I just put it up one octave. So from A flat 3 to A flat 4. Really simple trick. And I think it's really something you can apply to all of those beats. And I've just used free Osc for this one. It's just a really simple preset. And it's just a really simple preset. So make sure you copy it. And right here you won't even notice another bass is playing. And just really simple to add some more elements to your beat. And right here another part is coming in, but I'm just combining the guitar and all the other sounds. Still just really simple. And right here it is like a bridge part. And right here just the bass coming in again.